General, what are these bananas for? It looks like we got trapped here. I think before we were just...
No, bro, we signed up for this job and everything for the interviews, but then one of our contacts fell. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat some of this. I'm gonna devour one bite. Alright, there we go. Good, we got some energy. You know, we should have gone from John instead. We need the sugar rush. We need the sugar.
That's true.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What? Dance! What? No, I don't want
What?
I'm just kidding. It's an old prank, of course. That's not funny, Jet Poncho. For real. I'm sorry. I just had to do it. Alright. Anyways, I'll be flying for a few more hours. And I'm gonna sleep. I should take a nap. And I'm down. I'm sleepy.
We're not even moving.
You take the other side. You take the other side. No, I said you take the other side.
What?
Yeah,
What did you... What time is it? It's 3 a.m. in the morning. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Brother, it's 3 a.m. in the morning. Goes to sleep. What happened? Huh, Yusuf, what happened? Wait. Out there. I say mine like you say your line. I say the pilot like you say Jet's line. Jetman just went down somewhere. Me too. I hope the middle is yeah, but it's kind of giving light. How are you gonna turn on? Let me connect. Okay, let me connect to some Sky. My song. Skywars is the best thing in the world. You can't even defeat it. I think, yeah. You see, I'm there. Now he's talking. How's that guy talking? How did he just reappear here? I've never seen. Ah! What is that? Are you skeletons? Is your... His name is Skeleton. fake. Everyone fake close to attention I'm gonna look out the window. Oh. What happened to the wings? Why are they going up? You're not gonna have that. I think we're on the wrong flight, brother. I'm surprised we just smashed that with our head. Yusuf. Can we kill them? Who cares if they die? Okay, save the child. We need to save the rest. Just save the child.
Great. But there's still no one left.
Who's calling? But I think you're talking to the wrong person. I will do it. Ronald McDonald, open the door. We can work this out. Ronald McDonald, let the captain go. You don't understand anything. You are. Listen to what I'm going to say. It's over, Ronald. You're going to jail for doing this. Die. General, I hope you die. He's crawling. You're crawling like an idiot. did General die? I'm not even parachuting. Why am I going down like this? God, I'm slowly cooling down. But I'm just doing. How am I doing front flips in the air?
I don't know. I still have this teddy bear. Thanks to the comfy mom. Right.
I still have him too. I hope General Idiot dies. How's the? I'm gonna land on the wing. Did General die? What's gonna happen?
We honor the general for now on for his endings for us.
The next day. A few hours later.
General Poncho. Here's what everyone made it back. We got the secret ending. Doing this one instead. Hey, little girl.
Why are we doing this normal ending?
I'm doing secret. The teddy bear.
Wait, I just got the secret ending. Hey little girl, I brought you this teddy bear. Thank you. It's just the one thing I can't I will always remember him. Like the great captain he was.
That's great. I hope you do. Anyways.
When I grow up, I will be a captain just like him.
Wait a minute.
And I promise I will protect the one from the bad guy, Ronald McDonald. That's great. I hope you do.
You know,
Anyways.
you know in chapter 4 of this airplane,
Your name,
the airplane, an airplane.
My name is
story,
Kelly. Bye guys.